Hello class, we're going to look at doing the first few steps of the Module 6 Excel project from Sam, and we just want to make sure that everybody gets off to a good start. So I've got the instructions here and the spreadsheet that needs to be updated as the project. So we're working with Fish Chips Electronics, which sells inexpensive computers called Fish Chip Systems. And they help send these to schools to help teach computer science and electrical engineering. Cyril wants to summarize some information on Fish Chips Electronics product data into tables to help him train a new sales associate. So some pretty high-level Excel stuff here. First thing, switch to the systems worksheet. Got it? Select the range A1 through H9 and format the range as a table. Now I wanted to go to H9 and I stopped here at A9 so I could start my selection all over again, or I could hold the Shift key and the arrow key to change my selection to be that entire area. So A1 through H9, and format the range as a table with headers using the table style medium 14. So I'm going to format that as a table, and I know since I have my screen split, some of our ribbon icons are a little squished up together. So just remember we're looking for the same item, and your ribbon might be formatted a little bit differently. I want to format this as a table, and in the hints they say it might be a green one. So let's see, table style 21, and there's 14. Table style medium 14. Perfect. Now I want to apply it to this data. My table does have headers, so I'm going to click OK. Looks great. Now I want to use the name Systems Table is the name of this table. So now it should be properly named. And my next step, step 2, says Fish Chips Electronics approved a new third-party sensor for use with the Fish Chips systems. So we want to switch to the Sensors worksheet and add a new record to the end of the Sensors table in row 15. So right here, and my new record is going to be S487. It is an ADI humidity sensor. Yes, it is compatible. Yes, it is compatible with Fish Chip 2. Nope, not Fish Chip 3. And it costs $5.50. Now scroll down a little bit in our instructions. So that took care of step 2, adding our data. Now we want to sort our sensors table from the smallest to the largest by the cost field. So I'm going to again select my table and use my data ribbon to sort. And I want to sort by cost, smallest to largest. That looks good. So now my data is sorted. I see my lowest cost item all the way up to my great big $65 item. So now I want to do my advanced filter, and my advanced filter is going to copy data from the sensors table down to this compatibility table to keep track of what we have here. So let's see if we can do this. We want to go to cell E19 and to set up the value to filter on. So we want that value to be the word yes. I'm going to stay with that cell selected. And I want to apply an advanced filter. So it's still on my data ribbon where my filter option is. And I want to use an advanced filter. So I do want to copy this data to another location. My list range, where my data is supposed to be A1 through F15. And I'm sure you guys have seen enough different videos to know we have a lot of different ways to enter that. I can just type it in. That's one way. And our criteria range needs to be A18 through F19. So this one I'll do using this jump to capability. So A18 through F19. So that's our criteria range. Go back to my advanced filter. And where do I want to copy this data to? I'm going to copy it right under these headings. So I will select all of row 21 here, jump back to my advanced filter. When I click OK, I should see those data records in my table copied down to this table so that I can see all of the ones that are Fish Chip 3 compatible. So by setting up this filtering criteria here, we could actually type in all sorts of different pieces of information and filter what we have going on down here. But I don't want to mess anything up. So that was the step that was causing some people some trouble. We wanted to get past that area. And of course, I want to let you work through the rest of the steps. I know it's important for your learning to have to work through it a little bit. I'm afraid that if we do too much showing, then we're just following the steps, and I know that doesn't help. So it is quite a quandary. So as you finish up tonight, let me know if you're running into any trouble, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, thank you.